Hello guys, today I have this Samsung 43-inch LED TV. The problem is screen mirror problem. So let's turn on Samsung. So how to open service mode? This is Samsung remote control. First we turn off the TV. Okay, press info. Second, menu. Number 3, mute. Power on. Okay guys, so I already opened the service mode. Press option, go to MRT option, scroll down, HV flag off. Press OK. Return. Turn off the TV from remote. Now turn on the TV. Okay guys, so I already fixed screen mirror problem. Press menu. Okay, done. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you everyone.